Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Focus boot without a key. First, ensure all your car doors are unlocked, either with the physical key or the interior unlock button. Next, fold down the rear seats to gain access to the boot compartment. Many Ford Focus models, especially sedans, have a glow-in-the-dark emergency release handle inside the boot. If you find one, simply pull it to open the boot. If there's no visible emergency handle, you might need to manually disengage the latch. Once inside the boot, look for two small square flaps on the lower boot panel. Carefully pry these open with a flathead screwdriver. Beneath these flaps, you will find two bolts, often requiring a TX40 Torx bit. Undo these two bolts to release the bottom section of the boot latch, allowing the boot to open. Sometimes the issue is electrical. Begin by checking the fuse for the boot latch, which is commonly a 10-amp fuse located in your car's fuse box. Also, inspect the wiring that runs into the boot lid, as these wires can fray or break over time, especially near the hinges. If your car battery is dead, the electronic release won't work. Try connecting a jump starter or another car battery to restore power. If these methods don't work, it might be time to call a professional mechanic. A common culprit for a non-opening boot is a faulty latch actuator or solenoid, which may need replacement. To prevent future issues, regularly check the health of your car's main battery and the battery in your key fob. Keeping these in good order can save you from unexpected boot access problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.